Imagine you are looking to buy a house. You find the perfect one listed for $500,000. The problem is you are not ready to buy it today. You need a month to arrange financing. The seller says, I'll reserve the house for you at $500,000 for the next 30 days, but you'll have to pay me $5,000 today for that privilege. You agree. Now you have a choice. If over the next month the house value rises to $550,000, you can still buy it for $500,000. That's a great deal. But what if the housing market weakens and the house is now worth only $480,000? Do you have to buy it? No. You simply walk away. The only thing you lose is the $5,000 you paid to reserve the right. This is exactly how an option works. An option is a derivative contract that gives its buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price before or on a specific date. The key word is right, not obligation. The buyer gets to choose. If exercising the option is beneficial, they do it. If it isn't, they let the option expire. Think of an option as paying for flexibility. You are paying a small amount today, so you can decide later. Once you know how the market has changed, that flexibility has a value. And that's exactly what an option provides.